Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another useful PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of Xampp software. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you like to use, and now here type Xampp download and select that. And here you can see download Xampp on the first search result, and also the page address Apache Friends, and this is the official address to download your Xampp application. You don't need to download it from any third-party application. This is their official, and click this download Xampp option here. Now after clicking this, it will bring you to these pages, and here you can see all the latest version for Windows, and you can also see for Linux and also for OS, the Apple OS. And I am using the Windows option, so I'm going to download it for the Windows. So you can see this is 8.2.4 and PHP 8.244 is the latest version of the Xampp software. I will download this one. All you have to do is click this download option, download 64-bit. And it will take a few seconds to download automatically. We'll see. Just wait a few seconds. And if after waiting a few seconds the download is not started, just all you have to do is just click here. But my download is already started. The download just started, as you can see, but I have already downloaded the software, so I don't need to download it again. I'm just close this software. Now I'm going to my download page, download software option, going here, and here is my Xampp Windows 64, the new version. Double click on this one and select yes option here. It's gonna take a few seconds. Just have patience. Just select OK and select next. You can this is the folder. The Xampp will create a new folder. You can also change the folder direction, but I'm going to select is the default one. Just select next, and you can change the language from here, English or Dutch. I'm going to put the English because I don't know any Dutch language. Just select next one and click next, and this installation process is already started, and it will take a few minutes, so we have to wait. As you can see, my installation process is done. Just click the finish option, and now you can see my Xampp software is loaded here. This is the interface of the software. You can see the module Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. So I'm going to start this software now. Just click Apache, just click start here, and also MySQL start here. If you see the green light here, that means your software is running. And to launch the software, click this admin option on MySQL, and it will open your Xampp software to your browser. You can see the address localhost /php my admin, and now this is the interface. Now you can create any database for your backend software. Just click database, and you can select any name and just create the database that you like to do. And I hope this is the video, and this is the way you can install your Xampp account software pretty easily. And I hope this video helps you in any way. If this helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.